Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Infiniti, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2015 Infiniti Q40, the 3.7 liter. So right now the checking the light right there, the current code right now is the right now I have two codes. One of them is for mass airflow sensor, and then one of them is for the battery. So right here it says P0101B right there. This is for the mass airflow sensor B circuit and range performance. And then the other codes, these two codes are for the battery. Now for the codes right here, the first thing you're gonna check for is the engine air filter, and then you're gonna replace the whatever sensor that says. This one is on the bank 2. Bank 2 is on the driver side, and then bank 1 is on the passenger side. So let me show you the firing order for the Infiniti is 135. So that's the right side. This is the front of the vehicle. This is on the right side passenger. 246 is bank 2. This is on the driver side. So this is basically all the step. If you want to follow it and then do the same thing, you want to do all the step, that's the same thing to read and find out which mass airflow sensor is bad. So I bought all the parts already for the Infiniti. Now the first thing I checked is the air filter. So for the air filter, you just unclamp these two clamps right here, and you can see it's very dirty. Same thing on this side too, very dirty right there. And then this is my new air filter. This is the part number, same thing for both sides. And then for the mass airflow sensor, this one's really expensive. For Infiniti and Nissan, you have to buy them original. Do not use aftermarket because the code will come back. This is the part number. Kind of pricey. List price is $320, but I bought it my price, so it's only $100. So for the firing order, like I told you, 135. This is bank 1 on the passenger side. 246. This is on the driver side. This is bank 2. Now the mass airflow sensor, there's two 7mm holding on to the sensor, and then you can take it out. This one is the one I'm going to be replacing. This is bank 2. That's the check engine light code. And then make sure you guys check the connector. Make sure the pin inside here is good. There's no damage, bent, or corroded. Check the wire back here. Make sure the wire is not broken, damaged, or ripped, anything. Same thing on this side. Two 7mm bolt. Now for the bank 1 sensor, I'm just gonna clean it. I'm gonna use brake cleaner and spray it in here to clean all the meter stick right here. Check the connector, same thing. Check the pin inside. This side has 4 I believe, there's 5 wires, and then this one only have 3 wires. So I'm gonna put in my new air filter. Make sure you blow out whatever's inside the air box too. Make sure it's completely clean. Now I'm gonna put in my new air filter. Lock it. I already put in my new one on this side. For the mass airflow sensor, the right side and the left side uses the same part number. So now for the one on the right side, the passenger side, I'm gonna use my brake cleaner to spray it into this meter and clean it out. There you go. Let it dry, and then for my new one, I'm gonna put it on the driver's side. There you go. My two 7mm bolt. Now my mass airflow sensor is clean already. It's dry. Putting it back. There you go. Put back the connector. go. Same thing on this side. Go. Good enough. There we go. And then for the battery, I also changed out the battery already. You can see that's a new battery right there. Now let me show you the code one more time before I clear it. I don't have my big scanner right now, just my little one. Now if you don't want to replace the mass airflow sensor, if it's too pricey for you, you can take them out, clean it the same way I did, clean them both, and then change out the engine air filter for whatever code that is throwing, whatever size bank that is throwing. If it doesn't come back, it's good. If you clean it and the code come back, then you're gonna have to replace the mass airflow sensor. I'm gonna show you the code again one more time. So this is the battery code. Now this is for the mass airflow sensor. I'm gonna erase it. There you go. Turn out the car, turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a engine air filter replaced and the mass airflow sensor. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But no, I'm out. Peace.